Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So if you're diving into the world of crypto trading, you might be wondering if Bybit is the right exchange for you. With all the options out there, it's essential to know what sets it apart and what to watch out for. Choosing a crypto exchange is not just about picking the one with the most features. You also need to think about ease of use, fees, security, support, and whether the platform actually matches your trading experience level. Bybit is primarily a cryptocurrency exchange that caters to both novice and experienced traders. It offers a sleek user interface, making it easy to navigate through various trading pairs and features. One of its standout features is the leverage trading option, allowing users to amplify their positions, which can be enticing for seasoned traders looking for higher returns. For example, leverage can help traders take larger positions with less capital, but it also increases the risk, so it should be used very carefully and only with proper risk management. The platform also provides a robust mobile app, which is a huge plus for those who prefer trading on the go. This is useful if you want to monitor charts, check open positions, or react quickly when the market moves. Bybit's trading engine is known for its speed and reliability, which is crucial during high volatility periods in the crypto market. When prices are moving fast, even a small delay can make a difference, especially for active traders who rely on quick entries and exits. However, while the platform excels in many areas, some users have pointed out that the educational resources could be more comprehensive, especially for newcomers who might feel overwhelmed by the trading jargon. Terms like leverage, liquidation, margin, funding rate, and derivatives can be confusing if you're just getting started. More beginner-friendly guides, step-by-step tutorials, and practical examples would make the platform easier for new users to understand before placing real trades. Overall, Bybit positions itself as a solid option for traders looking for advanced features, but there are nuances that potential users should consider. It may be attractive if you already have some experience with crypto markets and want access to more professional trading tools. But if you're still learning the basics, it may take some time to feel fully comfortable with all the features available. When it comes to pros, Bybit offers competitive trading fees and a wide variety of cryptocurrencies, which is great for diversifying your portfolio. The platform's security measures are also a strong point, as it employs cold storage and two-factor authentication to safeguard funds. These security features are important because crypto users are responsible for protecting their own accounts. Setting up two-factor authentication, using strong passwords, and being careful with withdrawal settings can help reduce the risk of unauthorized access. On the downside, some users have raised concerns about the lack of transparency regarding customer support and response times. This can be frustrating if you run into account issues, withdrawal delays, or verification problems. Additionally, the leverage trading feature, while beneficial, can also lead to significant losses if not managed carefully, making it less suitable for inexperienced traders. A beginner might see leverage as a way to increase profits quickly, but without proper stop losses and position sizing, losses can also grow very quickly. Lastly, while the exchange has a user-friendly interface, the depth of available educational resources might lead beginners feeling a bit lost. So if you're just starting out, you might want to explore other platforms that offer more guidance. Another option is to start with basic spot trading first, learn how crypto markets move, understand risk management, and only then explore advanced features like leverage or derivatives. In conclusion, Bybit is a compelling choice for traders looking for advanced features and a reliable trading experience. If you're experienced and comfortable with leverage, it could be worth trying. However, if you're new to crypto, you might want to consider platforms with more educational resources first. Always do your research before diving in. Start small, understand the risks, and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose.